In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a broker to MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your MT5, and then when you do that, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and from here, click on Open an Account. Now, if you have MT5 installed on your computer already, you can just use that MT5. You don't even have to go and download the specific broker's own MT5 because it's really the same terminal, because you can find every single broker in here as well inside the basic MT5 version. Okay, it's gonna work the same way. So get in here and then search for your broker. I'm just gonna go and search for MT or for of course Trader's Way over here. Now, if you don't know how to find it, you can go and watch my videos on my channel. I do have a lot of those teaching you how to connect a specific broker to MT5, so that's gonna be a more in-depth guide. This is just to show you how to add really any broker. Okay, it's the same way, it's just a bit different. Sometimes it may be a bit of a hassle to actually find either the credentials to sign in or to basically find the correct name of the company, because it's not always the most obvious thing. So I'm gonna go to Trader's Way, click on it, and then next. Here it's going to ask you to connect. I'm gonna click on connect with existing trade account, and then from here you want to just basically put in your login number and your password as well. So the password over here is going to be for me this. I'm going to switch to demo because it's a demo account. Finish, and there we go. That's all you have to do to basically add a broker to MetaTrader 5. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.